Hi guys, it's Mario from PC Organize here again with another video today to show you how to install WhatsApp on Windows. It has arrived and it's got a Windows version and it's pretty easy to install it. As you can see it here on desktop, I got the icon of WhatsApp. So I'm going to deinstall then install again for you guys so that you see it. So let's WhatsApp, it's there, so I'm gonna uninstall it. Yeah, that's gone. So to install WhatsApp on Windows, you just go to Google and search for whatsapp.com/download. Yeah, it comes up right down here. You click it and the page comes up. It's got for Android, it's got for iPhone, and it's got the icon for Windows. Now, why we want to install it on Windows is because this will work with your webcam and you can use the WhatsApp video calling or audio calling like you can use it on your phone. With WhatsApp web, you can't do it efficiently. You have to connect it with Facebook Messenger, but again keeps on disconnecting. So this is pretty easy. So you download this. As you can see, it's downloading down in the end. I am using Google Chrome here. Double click this. And the WhatsApp logo comes up and it's gonna start installing in a minute. So that's it. This is installed on our computer now. So all we have to do is go to our phone, open WhatsApp on our phone, once WhatsApp is open, you click on the three dots on the right top hand corner and then click link devices and then link WhatsApp with this desktop one, like I'm doing right now, which is starting. So I am going to just take it off the screen because obviously this is my main WhatsApp. I don't want to show numbers in there, but basically it logs in and it's actually showing you, it actually allows you to go through your numbers and make audio calls and video calls as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.